Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Shelly's Millions. In today's California unemployment update, I do have a new tip or trick for calling to get through to the California EDD. This actually might not be such a new tip. I think it's been around for about a week, but I finally had enough people tell me that it has worked that I feel comfortable passing it on to you guys. With that in mind, a lot of times after these tips and tricks are confirmed for calling and getting through faster, the EDD seems to catch on and change their phone system. So make sure to try and use this tip as soon as possible and let me know in the comments down below if it worked for you or not. If this tip works for you, please make sure and like the video and share it with anyone else who's having trouble calling and getting through to the EDD. First, there's still a lot of things that the EDD is still saying will clear up on their own, like the reopen claim button, like your claim balance hitting 0 and seeing the maximum benefits paid message, or even the maximum benefits paid message going away, but your claim balance is still 0. They are still supposed to be automatically updating those things, but they're doing it in batches, and it just seems like the batches are so small and that some of you have still been waiting to get paid since December 26th that it might make sense to call, because if you call and you successfully get through, it does seem like most of these issues, the representatives are at least able to get things moving on your claim faster than it does to wait. With that said, if you can wait and it's one of the issues that I've mentioned before should clear up on its own, you might want to wait, because there are some people that are even pending longer than 4 weeks. And when we all call, it makes it harder for anybody to get through. So keep that in mind whether you want to call or not. I certainly think if you haven't been paid in 4 weeks that it's reasonable. So here's the best number to call to get through to the EDD and what to push so that a live person picks up with as minimal wait time as possible. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to call 1-833-978-2511. You're going to choose 1 for English and then listen for the next set of prompts. But you're not going to choose one of those prompts. Instead, you're going to quickly hit 1341. So again, you're going to call 833-978-2511, hit 1 for English, listen to the next set of prompts, but don't choose any of those. Quickly hit 1341. I am getting a lot of reports that this tip works. Of course, this tip will only work during normal EDD business hours. I have heard that this tip will get you through to a rep instead of hearing your call cannot be completed at this time, or we are experiencing a high volume of callers. Please hang up and try your call again. This is supposed to at least get you to the point where you can hold to speak to a rep. Depending on what rep you get, they may still tell you that they're not able to fix your claim and that you need to wait. I know the tip has been to ask for a tier 2 rep if you've been experiencing ongoing issues. I actually hear that there is a level above them called an adjuster. So if you get somebody that's not able to help move your claim along, ask for an adjuster. That's going to give you your best chance of getting your claim moving forward again so that you can get paid. If you do all that and you're still not able to get your issue resolved, ask them what the issue is. If it's pending and they're not able to fix it, ask them why. Ask them, are there additional steps that you need to take? If they tell you that you're waiting on a determination interview, make sure to ask how long to expect until that's set up so that you're prepared for the next step in your claim. And if they're not able to help you get your claim moving forward, it's still a good idea to send them a message through Ask EDD and the Contact Us section from your UI Online homepage, as well as reach out to your local assembly members. And I am going to link that in the description down below. When you either call or email your assembly members, you want to let them know that you're experiencing a financial hardship because you haven't been able to get paid by the EDD. Webull is still giving out 4 free stocks when you use my link in the description down below. I've also got a Robinhood link if you guys aren't totally turned off from them after all the GameStop shenanigans that have been going on this week. And if you feel safer just saving your money, I have a link to the best bank to save your money at with the highest interest rate if that's something you're more comfortable with. So check out those links in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching Shelly's Millions. I'll see you next time.